Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly reset or remove patterns or passwords from your Samsung Note 2. Let me show you. First of all, you're going to power off the phone by holding the power key. Okay, click OK. The next thing, simple, you're going to click the volume up key and the home key, then the power key to start the phone. So hold my volume up key, power key. So when you see the Samsung logo, you release the power key, and then we expect our phone to go to the recovery mode, as you can see. So when you reach here, it's very simple. You're going to click the volume down key. Then to take you to wipe cache partition, you wait to go to the factory set. You go, sorry about that. Then click the power key to accept changes. Then it's going to wipe all the cache files in the phone. Then the next step, you're going to click wipe data and factory set. Simple. You go down, click the volume down key. Then this is going to delete all the user data, so you have to be sure that you're going to lose everything from the phone. You click the power key, and then the phone will start wiping all the data, and this will take a few minutes, a few seconds. Then after, when you reach here, don't get stuck. You just click the power key to restart the phone, and the phone will start installing all the user data. As you can see, we have our Note 2 Samsung. Yeah. So when the phone reaches this point, this won't take like 10 minutes. It will be just a few minutes. You have to make sure that your phone is fully charged. Yes, you have to make sure you charge it up to 100, then above 80. That's when you can do. Also, you can. It depends on the power of the battery. So let's start the phone. So in the process, you hear a click. You hear a click in the process. You hear the phone vibrating. Actually, that's when you know that the phone has fully hard reset. Okay, Samsung users. So let's wait for the phone to complete. Let's wait for the phone to complete. So I haven't had the vibration yet, but the phone will vibrate, then the next second to just open. Yes, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Yeah, that will be able, we shall be able to support very many people by helping their phones work again. So we wait for our phone to reset. So I've had the click, and then the phone is going to just open, as you can see. So this is how you had reset. So the next step, you're going to click next again, next. So it asks for the password.